Hi guys, welcome to another video of my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox a multimeter, so watch the video till the end. So let's open it. This multimeter needs a 9-volt battery and you should supply it. Sometimes the 9-volt battery comes with the multimeter, but sometimes you should buy your own 9-volt battery. Now you should take black wire and put it in the COM section. And you should connect the red wire at the top of the black wire. This is the connection. This is a basic connection and it differs from different items. This battery is 4.8 to 5 volt battery, so check its volts in the multimeter. This is a rechargeable battery, so now let's check its volts. With the help of this multimeter, you can even check the amperes of the battery. So this is a multimeter and it is very useful to make other experiments. So let's meet in another video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel for new videos.